fellow landlords, appeals. They happen, and sometimes they're just filed because the tenant really just needed one more week. So let's presume that you were successful in the justice court. You won a judgment. You won rent that was unpaid. You got your court costs. You got possession. You're really happy. But the tenant files an appeal. And, you know, it's frustrating, but they have the right. Every tenant has the right to file an appeal, even without good cause, even if they didn't show up to the justice court trial. So they file their appeal, and you're ready. You're like, fine, I get it. You have the right. I'll wait for you at the county court. And so the trial at the county court's coming up, and you happen to go inspect, or you drive by the property, take a look and see what's going on, and you see a moving truck. And the next day, house is empty. Now, you don't go to your appeal trial for another week and a half, but the house is empty. You walk up, you look inside, there's nothing in there. You have your key, because you always keep a key. You open it up. Hello, anybody there? Nope. You walk in, you check around, they're gone. You change the locks, you resume possession, and life is good. And you kick back and you think, well, it's a good thing I got that judgment from the justice court. You don't. So the moment that the appeal was filed, that justice court judgment, it's gone. It no longer exists. The county court, and a new chance to prove what unpaid rent remains unpaid. But you're thinking, why would I do that? I already got possession. Well, that's the operative question. Do you want a judgment that awards you unpaid rent? If so, go to the appeal trial. Your right to collect rent in an eviction ends once the tenant vacates. But it doesn't matter what happened in the justice court. The appeal erases all of that. It is gone. And so if you want a judgment for unpaid rent, up until the date the tenant vacated, you must appear at the county court to defend in the appeal matter. Otherwise, when you don't show up, the county court sees your case file and says, oh, nobody shows up, case dismissed. And the judgment you won in the justice court not only is erased, but there is no eviction attached to the tenant. So when they go to their next, there's no record of you having won a judgment against them. So if they leave early, you have every right to abandon your lawsuit and let it go. But if you are interested in maintaining your judgment for unpaid rent, you must go to the appeal trial at the county court. Otherwise, it is gone, and they are forgiven all that judgment that everything you worked so hard to get. It's gone the moment they appeal. If you want to maintain it, if you want to keep it, if you want to reassert your rights, you have to go to the county court, and you have to present your case again, and you have to win again in order to do that. All right, well, happy leasing.